Welcome to today's explainer. If you're a focused learner looking to just cut right through the noise, you are absolutely in the right place. Have you ever stared at financial news, watching all those tickers flash red and green, and just felt entirely overwhelmed by the sheer complexity of it all? Trust me, you are definitely not alone. But what if I told you there's a straightforward financial strategy that statistically cuts through all of that anxiety? A strategy that basically takes the guesswork completely out of building wealth. Today, we're going to visually map out this ultimate investment strategy, step by step.
Section 1, the investment secret. Okay, let's dive into this. So, our source material states this plainly and honestly pretty boldly. This one investment beats most people. Just let that sink in for a second. We aren't just talking about beating a few amateurs here. We're talking about outperforming the vast majority of active participants in the market. The core problem with investing for a lot of folks is the constant noise, right? The tips, the tricks, the complex trading algorithms. This approach offers a solution that completely removes the burden of trying to pick individual winners and losers.
To really understand why that quote is such a game changer, we need to compare two totally distinct approaches. On one side, you've got your active traders. These are the folks glued to their monitors, analyzing charts, constantly trying to time the market, buying low and selling high on a daily or weekly basis. It's exhausting just thinking about it. On the other side, you have the strategy we're unpacking today, and the data from our source highlights a fascinating reality. This straightforward strategy consistently outperforms those who actively trade the markets. It turns out trying to constantly outsmart the market is very often a losing game, while this specific approach serves as a highly reliable vehicle for long-term wealth accumulation.
Section 2, defining the S&P 500. And that brings us to the core question of our source material. What exactly is the S&P 500? You've likely heard this term used as shorthand for the market itself, but to truly leverage its power, we need to dive into a quick educational breakdown and understand its exact mechanics. Well, the crucial element is literally right there in the name, 500. This isn't just some random assortment of businesses. This number represents massive scale. We're talking about the absolute top leading American corporations. Just imagine the biggest brands you interact with every single day, the technology in your pocket, the cars on the road, the banks, the healthcare providers. This number represents the absolute heavyweights of the American economy, all gathered together into one giant group.
To define it formally, the S&P 500 is an index that monitors the performance of these 500 leading American corporations. It basically acts like a giant thermometer for the US economy. But what's really interesting about this slide is how this concept creates an incredibly simplified approach to a diversified portfolio. Instead of you needing to go out and individually research and buy stock in 500 different companies, which, let's be real, would be an absolute nightmare of paperwork and fees, this index tracks them all as a single entity. It represents the combined strength and innovation of the top 500 companies in the country.
Section 3, growth through ETFs. So how do we actually use this? Well, this brilliantly illustrates the path to access. Step 1 is the foundation we just covered, broad diversification across those 500 companies. Step 2 is the bridge, easy access. And how exactly do you get that access? Through exchange-traded funds or ETFs. An ETF is essentially a basket of investments that you can buy and sell just like a single stock. So you can buy an S&P 500 ETF, and with one simple purchase, you instantly own a tiny sliver of all 500 of those leading companies. Which leads us perfectly into step 3, the result, long-term growth. The source points out that individuals can easily access this massive market by simply purchasing these exchange-traded funds. It just completely democratizes wealth building for everyone.
The crucial takeaway is summarized by these key benefits. By using an ETF to invest in the S&P 500, you are setting up a remarkably reliable vehicle for wealth accumulation. You're aiming for consistent growth over time, driven by the collective progress of the entire economy, rather than crossing your fingers and relying on the luck of picking one winning stock. Plus, you get an instantly diversified portfolio. If a few companies in the index happen to have a bad year, well, there are hundreds of others that can help balance it out. This simplified approach entirely bypasses the complexities, the high fees, and the intense stress of that active trading we talked about earlier.
Section 4, plan your financial future.
Our source material ends with a very direct call to action for us. Save this for later. The source frames this as essential, foundational investment knowledge. This is definitely not some trendy tip that's going to expire next week.
The real power of the S&P 500 strategy is in its longevity. It's meant to be retained, understood, and applied over decades. It's exactly the kind of knowledge that serves as the bedrock for a really secure financial plan.
Which brings us to our final thought for today's explainer. If one simple strategy beats most active traders, why overcomplicate your financial future? It really makes you ponder the elegant simplicity of wealth accumulation, doesn't it? We are so often conditioned to think that harder is better, but the data from our source strongly suggests that when it comes to investing, simple, diversified, and consistent is the true ultimate strategy. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. Keep this question in mind as you look at your own financial goals, and I will see you in the next one.